Welcome, this is Project Pootle, second video. It's got to be light, got to have longevity of flight, so where do we start? 20 amp 4N1 BL Heli CSC. The FPV system is a Runcam Micro Sparrow and a TX25, just run-of-the-mill FreeSky S-Bus. Got a box full of these DYS motors, but they're the 1806 2400 kV, classic old trusty motors. They should be quite efficient, especially on something really lightweight like this. Try and decide which flight controller, a Lux or a KISS. This one's got a 1 amp back on it. Let's see how it goes. Throw it together, I suppose. It's finished. Went together really nice. Very happy with it. Got the micro in there, the TX25 mounted on the back. There's a pole in the top right. See how long you think this is going to stay airborne for. The next video will be a hover test, so catch you in the next video. Happy flying.
Io farei. Hey!